So now you have special types of matrices. Special type of matrices क्या होंगे? पहले हमने types of matrices किए. Now you have special type of matrices. पहला है null matrix, which are where all the elements are zero. कोई भी ऐसा matrix होगा जिसमें सारे elements zero होंगे. It is called null matrix. Then you have diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix आपके पास है जी a square matrix where except the diagonal all other numbers are zero. ठीक है, any diagonal matrix where all diagonal elements are zero is called diagonal elements. Diagonals, as you know, are of this and this shape. एक ये अगर rectangle है और you can take it as a square, so this line and this line, opposite sides joining each other form diagonal. अगर ये diagonals है बेटा, तो how will you form? It means that a diagonal can be this way or this way also. But in matrices, only the elements which have same row number and column number can be written as diagonal. जैसे कि 1 1 first row and first column, second row second column, third row third column. Like this, only these elements can be diagonal. Next you have scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are equal. जिसके अंदर similarly वही diagonal matrix की extension है where the diagonal elements are equal. It can be any number, it can be any alphabet, but it has to be same. Next up you have unit matrix. Unit matrix is something where a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are 1. It means if they are 1, it is a unit matrix. It can be of order 3 and it can be of order 2. ये 3 represent करता है that this is of order 3 and it has 3 rows and 3 columns, and this 2 represents that it has 2 rows and 2 columns. Next, okay, this is a unit matrix, but this is not. If someone is saying that this is a unit matrix, it's wrong because it should have only one number. It can't be 2, it can't be 3, or it can't be 1000. It has to be only 1. Next up you have transpose. Transpose क्या है जी? A matrix in which rows are converted into columns and columns into rows, and it is denoted by AT. Then you have कि rows columns में convert हो जाएंगे and columns rows में. A is this is your first matrix 1 4 7 2 3 5 8 3 5 6 9. This is your matrix, or you can read it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How are you going to take a transpose? Take the first column. First column ले लें, first row ले लें, it's your call, whatever you want. If you want to take first column 1 2 3, you have to write it in a row form. फर्स्ट कॉलम कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा रो के अंदर. ये आपका बन गया 1 2 3. नेक्स्ट यू हैव 4 5 6. सेकेंड कॉलम विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू सेकेंड रो 4 5 6, एंड थर्ड कॉलम विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू थर्ड रो 7 8 9. Okay. Next you have addition of a matrix. Addition of a matrix के अंदर सबसे पहली चीज़ जो आपको माइंड में रखनी होगी, that should be the order. As you have learned how to take order, you can know that number of rows and number of columns has to be same of both matrices. अगर वो सेम है तभी ऐड हो पाएंगे. अगर matrices सेम नहीं है then you can't add them. Just write you can't add them, or solution is not possible. Now if here you have two matrices A and B, A has 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B has 4 9 10 7 4 9. These are the elements which A and B have. Now you are going to add them. A और B को add करेंगे. First you will write a plus sign because you are going to add them. मैंने सिर्फ उनको rewrite किया, जैसे A और B plus हो रहा है, A matrix plus B matrix. Then you are going to add them. First element will be added with the first element, 1 plus 4. Then you have second element which is 2, and here the second element is 9. So when you add them, you will write 2 plus 9. The third element is 3, and here the third element is 10. So you will write 3 plus 10. Here the first element, second row, first element is 4, and here you have 7. 4 plus 7 is here. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9. When you're going to add them, beta, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 9 is 11, 3 plus 10 is 13, 6 plus 9 is 15, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 4 plus 7 is 11. This is how you're going to add them, and this is your answer for the addition. Next, you have subtraction. For subtraction also you should have same order. अगर same order नहीं है बेटा, you can't add them up. Okay, so now same order. I'm using the same matrices. No, I'm not using the same matrices. Here I have A and B, as A is minus 4, 9 and 11 and 5, 10, minus 7, whereas B is 4, 4 minus 7, 9 minus 4 and 8. Okay, now what you are going to do, A minus B, minus 4 minus का sign इधर आया, and the next element you are going to write it in bracket, because here you have minus elements also. So just to make sure that you are not repeating any number or you're not missing out any sign, just put brackets. Next you have second element, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, 11, 11, then this minus and minus 7. There you go with the bracket sign. Minus, that's why I put the bracket sign here. Now 5 minus 9, 10, 10, minus 4. Then you have minus 7 minus here, and then minus 8. Sorry, plus 8, because there is no minus. Here's plus 8. Then अब minus का sign है, what you're going to do, how I am writing all of a sudden plus over here. So बेटा, प्लस इंटू प्लस, अगर आप प्लस और प्लस सेम साइंस अगर आपके पास है और आप ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो, तो अगर प्लस प्लस है तो वो प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस है तो भी प्लस होगा, प्लस माइनस है तो माइनस, माइनस प्लस है तो माइनस. इसको याद रखने का बहुत ही आसान तरीका है, और वो है कि बेटा सेम साइंस, इफ़ यू हैव सेम साइंस दे विल गेट एडेड, एंड इफ़ यू हैव ऑपोजिट साइंस यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. Okay, you will subtract them. How you will subtract them? The same way you are doing it earlier. और साइन क्या आएगा, साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर वैल्यू, जो भी ग्रेटर वैल्यू होगी उसका साइन आ जाएगा. नाउ यू हैव माइनस 4, 9 माइनस 4, 11 का 11, माइनस मेक्स प्लस, माइनस मेक्स प्लस, एंड देयर यू गो, एंड यहाँ पे आ गया 7, क्योंकि माइनस ग्रेटर वैल्यू क्या है, कोई भी नहीं है, माइनस का साइन है डायरेक्टली, तो यू कैन राइट प्लस है. एंड यू हैव 5 minus 9, 10 माइनस प्लस, और यहाँ पे आ गया 4, माइनस 7 माइनस 8. here you go, -4. अब माइनस का साइन है, व्हाट विल यू डू, प्लस, यू विल ऐड देम. ऐड किया मैंने, माइनस ऐड हो गया तो 8 हो गया, एंड साइन किसका आएगा, ग्रेटर वैल्यू का. दोनों 4 सेम है, इट मीन्स के माइनस का साइन ही आएगा, ग्रेटर वैल्यू तो कोई है नहीं. 9 minus 4 is 5, 11 plus 7 is 18, 5 minus 9 is minus 4. ग्रेटर वैल्यू का साइन, क्योंकि 9 बड़ा है इसलिए साइन क्या आ गया, माइनस. देन यू हैव 10 plus 4, साइन क्या आ गया जी, 14 का. देन यू हैव -7 minus 8, माइनस प्लस होगा, 7 plus 8 क्या होगा, 15, और साइन आएगा ग्रेटर वैल्यू का. 8 बड़ा है तो क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस.